Let us solve it. The first of all, we'll try to remove this 3 by multiplying by 3 both sides. So what will be the solution? Have a look. What we are going to do, 2x plus 5 by 3 is greater than 3x minus 2. I just have copied the question. What you will do? Multiplied by 3 both sides. What will be the result? The result will be 2x plus 5, because this 3 will cancel with this 3 and this 3 will multiply here. It will become 9x minus 6. Okay. Now we need to put down, there are two variables, so we need to put down the variable in one side. So better I'm removing this one by subtracting 9x both sides. So this 9x will cancel here, but here it will be 2x plus 5 minus 9x is greater than 9x minus 6 minus 9x. As I told you, this 2 will cancel. So 2x minus 9x, so it is how much? Minus 7x plus 5 is greater than minus 6. So I'll subtract 5 both sides. So this 5 will be removed that side, or you can say 5 will cancel, minus 6 minus 5. So it will be minus 11 and this will be minus 7x, correct? What will be the result? So it will divided by 7 both sides. So this will become minus x is greater than minus 11 by 7. See, we got a variable which is negative. So I need to change this one, and this will become changing sign, because negative can't be taken in the variable. So this will become x, it is greater than, so it will become less than, and it is minus, so it will become plus 11 by 7, right? And where x is what? Is a real number, and that will be the answer. Let's solve this question, and suppose the x is given a real number, right? What I need to do first, we need to remove these two. How can you remove this? Just multiply by the LCM of both the number, 3 and 4. What is the LCM? It is 12. So multiplied by 12 both sides. What will happen? So it will become 3x minus 6 by 3 will be multiplied by 12. You can take it in a bracket. Greater than equals to 5x minus 14 by 4 whole multiplied by 12. So you can cancel it out. 3 4 ja and 4 3 ja. Do you know why I am multiplying by LCM? Why I am multiplying by LCM? So that both the number will cancel out. Now you can solve it. It will become 12x minus 24 is greater than equals to 15x minus 42. So you can solve it. How? By removing the x one side, by taking the x one side. So what I will do, I'll remove 15x, subtract 15x both sides, correct? So it will become 12x minus 15x, so it will be minus 3x minus 24 is greater than equals to, this will be cancel it out, it will be minus 42, correct? Now we need to remove this 24, so add 24 both sides. What will happen? This will become minus 3x is greater than equals to minus 42 plus 24, so it is minus 18, correct? Now you need to remove this 3 and negative. So first you divide it by 3 both sides. We cannot divide it by negative 3, because as I told you, we cannot divide by the negative number, right? So this will become minus x is greater than equals to minus 6. Because I need to remove the negative sign from here, so I'll do changing sign. Changing sign. So we'll change the sign. This will become x is lesser than equals to 6. This is the final result I got. And suppose it is asking you to draw in the number line also. So what I will do, I will take a number line like this. Have a look. Right? Value of x is lesser than equals to 6. So suppose this is 6. X is lesser than equal to 6. And because x is a real number, so I cannot jump it because x is a real number. So I need to take the whole things including 6, because 6 is included, and all the value lesser than 6 will be the answer. So we'll go up to the end and put an arrow. So this will be the number line representation. So what you can say, but you must be doing this one using a pencil only, okay? Keep it in your mind. Pencil and ruler must be used. Let me solve this question, right? See, Here x is given as a natural number, right? And there are three terms, check it out, here also less than equal to, here also greater than equal to. So whenever we have three terms, we will check how many variables are there, so or where the variable is. So variable is in the middle, and out of these two there is no variable. So these questions are easy because the variable is in the middle and these two do not have the variable. So we can do all together at a time. How? So at first we'll try to make this one free from all the numbers. This means I need only x. Rest of the numbers we need to remove. So what I can do, I need to remove this half first. Okay. So how can you remove this? So I'm subtracting half in all, right? In all, why? Why I'm saying in all? Because these all terms are related here. It is not the both side. Okay. So it will be minus 2 minus half will be lesser than equals to, and this half of will cancel, minus 2x by 3 and lesser than equals to, this will be 6 and 5, 11 by 6 minus half, correct? You can solve it. This will be 2, LCM will be 2, so we'll get 2 and 2, 4 minus 4, so it is minus 5 is lesser than equals to minus 2x by 3 lesser than equals to 6 will be the LCM. 11 minus 2, 3 ja, so it will be 8. 11 minus 3, so it is 8. So this is the number I got. See, I need to remove 2 by 3 now. So what I will do, I'll multiply it by 3 by 2 in all the terms, correct? So what you will get? You will get minus 5 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 2 is lesser than equals to minus 2 by 3 x multiplied by 3 by 2 is lesser than equals to 8 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 2. The interesting fact is you can cancel them out. Here nothing is getting cancelled, so minus 15 by 4 lesser than equals to this 3 3 and 2 2 will cancel, so minus x lesser than equals to, this can be cancelled to 4 ja and this can be cancelled like to 4 ja and 3 2 ja and this can be cancelled 2, so it will be 2, correct? Right? Now because here is negative, so I need to remove this negative because the variable can't be negative. So what we will do, how will remove this negative? By changing sign. How can you change the sign? By putting this one as positive 15 by 4, this less than will become greater than, this negative will become positive, and 2 will become, we have to change this sign also, so it will become greater than equals to minus 2, correct? Do you know how to write down, what is the proper way to write down this one? So the proper way to write down this one is the smaller value first and the bigger value later. So first you write down this one, then it will be 15 by 4 can be written as 3:3 by 4, and then the sign, the value of x will be greater than equals to, less than equals to. This is the thing, correct? So what will be the final answer? Because it's a natural number, so the value of x will be more than minus 2, but it should be a natural number. So what are the natural number? Natural number starts from 1, so it will be 1, 2, 3, but 4 will not come because that is more than this one. I need to take less than this one. Here is equal to is given, but still I'll be not taking this value because it's a natural number and this value is not a natural number. So what will be in the number line, what will be the final answer? It's a real value and the number will be 1, 2 and 3. This will be the answer. So okay, I have written a question here where there are two places where the variables are there. Just you need to take these two together and then these two together, that's all. By the first and second term. So what is the first and second term? So first term is this one, 2 to the 4 and 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 2x is lesser than equals to 4x by 5. This is the first term, so just solve it. We'll take the LCM of 2 and 5, that is 10. So we'll multiply by 10 both sides. This is the easiest way if we'll solve it, okay? So what will happen if we'll multiply by 10 both sides? If we'll multiply by 10 both sides, what will happen, you think? It will become minus 5 by 2 into 10, it will become minus 25. 10 into 2, so it is 20x lesser than equals to, 5 and 10 will cancel 2 ja, so it will be 8x. So I'll be removing this 8. x. How? By subtracting 8x both sides. So this will become 20 minus 8. So it is 12x minus 25 lesser than equals to 8x. 8x will cancel. It will become 0. Am I right? You can keep the implies always. Now 20 minus, so there will be a plus sign, correct? There will be a plus sign, correct? Now we need to remove this minus 25. How? By adding 25 both sides. This will become 25, 25 will cancel. 12x is lesser than equals to 0 plus 25, so it is 25. Now to remove 12, so divided by 12 both sides. So what will happen? 12, 12 will cancel. X is lesser than equals to 25 by 12. 25 by 12, it means what? Or let it be like this only, 25 by 12. Now we'll solve the second and third term. You can take it down equation 1. This will help you. So second term is 4x by 5. 4x by 5 is lesser than equals to 4 by 3 plus 2x. Obviously, I will try to remove this 5 and 3 first. So I will multiply by 15 because 15 is the LCM. 15 both sides. Multiply by 15 both sides. 15, 5, 3 just, so it will be 12x is lesser than equals to 4 by 3. 15 will be multiplied here. So 4 into 5. So it will become 20. And 15 into 2. So it is 30x. Now we need to take this 30x this side. How can I do that? By subtracting 30x both sides. So this will become 12x minus 30x. So it is minus 18x is lesser than equals to 20. And now you have to remove this 18. So we'll divide by 18 both sides. So it will become minus x is lesser than equals to 20 by 18. So you can cancel it out and you will get 10 by 9. Okay. This means here it will become minus x is lesser than equals to 10 by 9. Now what we'll do? Changing sign. Changing sign. Why I am changing the sign? Because the negative is here. So it will become x is greater than equals to, and this will become negative, and 10 by 9 is 1 is to 1 by 9. Correct? So this is the final result I got here, which will be taken as equation 2. Now what you can do is by equation 1 and 2, one is saying value of x is lesser than this one and value of x is greater than this one. And I told you how to connect two things. The smaller number must be written first. So minus 1 is to 1 by 9 and the bigger number is here. So it will be 25 by 12. Okay. So it will be 2 is to 1 by 12 and here it is bigger than and equals to, x is bigger than equals to and x is lesser than equals to. Okay, so check it out. X is lesser than this one, x is lesser than this one, and x is bigger than this one. So x is bigger than this one, right? So the final solution will come up with whole number. So greater than minus 1 result I will take. So the value of x will be, what are the possible value? Negative number, and more than that I have to take, and it's a whole number. So answer will come up from 0. I will not take minus 1 because minus 1 is not a whole number. So 0, 1 and 2, that will be the solution. Because this is also equal, but I will be not taking this one because this is not a whole number. So this is the solution. If it is asking you to draw a number line, so you can draw it like this. Because whole number, so it will jump. So it will be colored like this, 1, 0 and 2. Correct? Remember I told you that suppose there is a question like this, that we cannot put this x this side, or you cannot multiply by x both sides. Okay, try to solve it. If you are able to solve it, let me know in the comment. Okay, thank you.